Hey guys, let's go to Val picnic / boat cruise. Okay guys, I am done bathing and I'm also dressed up, but I understand guys, nam amacici ngifila ngathi are dramatic, but we're gonna fix that because I have two other pairs. Nayi pair enye, and also this is another pair. So let's try these pairs and see, then we do the OOTD. Guys, I don't know man, but I don't feel these earrings. I feel like they are too dramatic. What do you think? Let's try those ones. Let's try these ones. Besides the fact that we are very late because we were supposed to be there at 12 o'clock and the time is currently 10 to 1. But siyababa. Yo! Siyababa. Are we taking these ones? But I still feel like even these ones are also dramatic. So I think these ones will do. These ones will definitely do. Curls, yasana, I don't know guys. One thing about me, I don't know how to do the curls. But does that make me not do them? Of course not. Siyababa or what? Yes, I think these ones. Yes, friend, we're gonna take those ones. Although I wanted to wear a dress, but nakulena sana outfit. We are sleeping. This is the outfit for the day. This is the outfit. Are we convincing, guys? I almost forgot to show you the bag. This is the bag. This is the bag. Ndinjani, guys? Tethani ngam, guys, ndisaphila tethani. How do I look? Days are for refreshing, Gebafazi, especially if you are an educator. Guys, you need to go out and recharge your battery so that when you are coming back, you are fresh and kicking. So this was the right and perfect time for us to go out on a vacation. This is a boat cruise. We got to the gate. Obviously here they were stamping us to show that we paid. Okay guys, asingeni ngezikoloto ezindaweni bethunani, please. Who are we? Whomsta we? Anyway guys, lana ke bensenza a quick tour of this place, and this is the food stall. Abantu ke baya showcase kakhulu bekugcwele ikota.